Hello guys, in today's video I'm going to show you how to fix Call of Duty Modern Warfare 2 DirectX error easy and quick. If you want to fix it, all you have to do first, go to background settings and then make sure to turn off this option, and then go back and then go to Windows Update Settings, check for updates and make sure to install the latest updates that you can find. And now just go back and then go to game mode, make sure this option is on, then go to captures, turn off those two options, go to Xbox game bar, turn it off, go to graphics settings, turn it on, go back, click here, get GeForce Experience, check for updates and install the latest updates that you can find. After that, just restart your PC, and after starting your PC your problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like and see you in the next video.